Valencia fucking stupid. Oh my God, you lame. Why is Valencia such a white girl? Come play with you. She already wet, you might as well go out there. She already wet, she might as well go out there. Look at all these little white kids running. Who stands in the rain? I hate the fucking rain. I like it when I go to sleep in.
I played in the rain a lot. I've ran through a storm in the rain. It was like always in my house.
You stupid.
If I had somebody to play with, it'd be really nice.
Loser. I hope it rains. I hope hell start dropping on your ass. You the dummy. Who sits in the rain?
You mean? I told you short people is mean.
You sure? I ain't mean.
I'm taller than you.
No, you not.
I'm taller than you.
No. Just sitting in the rain. With no umbrella. See, this motherfucker right here got sense. This one don't. She got an umbrella. She don't. Go over there in that little thing that he, whoever.
If it was raining hard enough, I would whip my hair.
Why you sitting right there stupid?
If it was raining hard enough, I would whip my hair.
It's not raining hard enough. Get out the damn rain.
It's not even raining.
It's not. Yes, it is. Look. Look over there.
No, that's from the tree.
No, over there. All the way over there. You see them little things?
Over there, that's not right here though. It's not raining.
Look over there then. That's the same spot. She's just a dumb ass. I always knew she was a little off. Hold on. Hold on. White people.
It's not raining.
It is raining. Well, it's sprinkling.
See, that's how you whip your hair.
That's how you whip your hair. She can't talk either.
I can't talk.
Shit. My hair puffy.
Yes, it is because you're black.
No, I'm not black.
You weren't.
Now, thank you.
Good.
Rain on me. Away from me. I don't give up on
No.
She lame. No, you're lame.
Let me show you the person behind the camera. Cause Chela, short person, aka, you know, she's short, real short. Girl, she is cute. We got on matching shirts today, you know, cause we G's like that. Understand it? Understand it? We G's. Dude, look at his umbrella. It's all extra lopsided and messed up. And this one too. Oh damn. No, it's Sam Houston. It's good. What's Sam Houston? Sam Houston. Sam Houston College. What's